Mark, I'll ask you if you don't mind. How long have you guys worked together?
We have worked together. Well, if you count me working here as a child, 30 plus years. I mean, I was a 5-year-old, probably in the back. They had me, just cleaning stuff up, making charts and things like that. I mean, when I was a little older, they had me, developing x-rays, filing things, filing insurance claims. I mean, I've been working in this office as long as I can remember. So I mean, yeah, we've been working together for quite some time. It's been full time. I've been here practicing periodontics in this office about 9 years or so. So we've been together, working hand in hand about 9 years. Quite a bit here. So it's been great, honestly. It's been fantastic.